COVID-19 vaccines for kids under 5 were approved by the CDC over the weekend, but it could be until next week until they're available in Florida. News4Jax reporter Ann Maxwell is joining us live. Ann, you've been talking with local pharmacists and parents.
Mary, and doctors apparently heard on Friday they could start ordering these COVID-19 doses for young kids. However, other states like Georgia started pre-ordering these doses weeks ago. I'm told this means that there could be a delay in getting these doses here to Florida. UF Health infectious disease specialist Dr. Mobeen Rathore says the Pfizer and Moderna COVID-19 vaccines for kids under 5 are safe and effective.
This particular vaccine is the same vaccine except for a smaller dose.
He says he doubts those tot-sized doses will be available locally this week. But pharmacist Kevin Duane of Panama Pharmacy says they're not ordering doses this time around for young kids. He says part of the reason is because pharmacists in Florida aren't allowed to vaccinate kids under the age of 3.
We did the ages 5 through 11, but we found that demand wasn't very robust in our neighborhood. So we ended up with some wastage. And so we didn't want to repeat that.
Florida Commissioner of Agriculture Nikki Fried says the vaccines will be available at some pharmacies.
Florida vaccine locations will include pediatric practices, federally qualified health centers, and pharmacies, including major retail chains that have partnered with the federal government to provide these vital vaccines like Costco, CVS, Harris Teeter, Kroger, Publix, Sam's Club, Walgreens, Walmart, and Winn-Dixie.
In April, a poll from the Kaiser Family Foundation found about a fifth of parents with a child under 5 want to vaccinate their child for COVID-19 right away, while more than a quarter say they definitely won't. News4Jax spoke with parents on both ends of the spectrum.
Because we had it when I was pregnant with her, so I would want her to be safe, and I have the vaccine.
I don't want the vaccine. I just think what we want to go in our body, I think that's our choice.
Among parents polled, 38% said they would wait and see about getting their young child vaccinated against COVID-19. And Dr. Ryan Cantville with Jacksonville Pediatrics told me today he tried to order these shots for young kids through the State Department of Health earlier this afternoon, but they weren't available. He says he's going to continue to follow up daily. And in the past, COVID-19 vaccines have taken up to a week to arrive after being ordered. Live downtown, Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.